We have, through agriculture, really, kind of killed the microbiome of our soils. We've released a lot of carbon into our atmosphere simply by tilling and overgrazing and not really managing animals well. So my name is Paul Versnick, and I manage GrandView Grass Fed here in Essex. I was just a mechanic, that was my trained profession. I started to focus on energy and sort of the impact of and inefficiencies of energy, just in how we're doing food. And I was like, we all need to reduce our energy consumption. I've been here 10 years, and since I've been here, this farm has gone through a lot of transition. We've put in the fencing and have been doing the rotational grazing. The biggest sort of reward I see firsthand the healing that rotational grazing has done. Traditional models of farming use tractors. So there wouldn't be any fencing here. They would just come in and harvest feed. And so systems like that, in order to put the fertility back on, because everything you take off the farm, you're taking minerals and nutrients out of your soil. Whatever it is, it has to be trucked. There's energy consumed in all of these processes. And what we're doing out here, the cattle are doing the harvesting, they're doing the storage, they're doing the fertility all themselves. So the net usage is pretty phenomenal. Food that's raised in a way or produced in a way where it's minimized chemicals and reduced tillage environments and grown in a healthy microbial environment is better for us. As a society, I think we've all lost the connection to where our food comes from. Finding however way you can, whether it's a CSA or if it's visiting farms or if it's bringing your children to farms so that they understand where their food comes from and hopefully develop a respect for that.